In this video, we are going to talk about the 42 Ramsar sites of India. So the first one is Asan Conservation Reserve, which is in Uttarakhand, and it flows through the river stretch of Asan, and hence the name. Uttarakhand's first Ramsar site is Asan's Conservation Reserve, and the notable species are red-headed vulture, white-rumped vulture, and Putitora mahasir. And the next one is Ashtamudi wetland, which is in Kerala, and this wetland is of estuary type, and the notable species are pearl spot. And next is Beas Conservation Reserve. It is in Punjab, and it is also along the river stretches, and it is of the type Conservation Reserve, and the notable species are in this river dolphin, gharial, hogdeer, and mahasir. This information in this PDF I have taken from the official website of Ministry of Environment from the Ramsar sites document. So please do make a note of this information. And the next one is Baitarkanika mangroves, which is in Odisha, and it is of the type mangroves and tidal flats. It is under a wildlife sanctuary conservation status, and the notable species are olive redley sea turtle and saltwater crocodiles. Next is Bhoj wetlands. These are in Madhya Pradesh, and it is of reservoir type, and the notable species are red crested pochard, sarus crane, and woolly necked stork. And next is Chandratal, which is in Himachal Pradesh, and please note that whether it is a freshwater or brackish or saltwater. Here the Chandratal is freshwater lake, and it comes under the conservation status of wildlife sanctuary, and the notable species are snow leopard, Tibetan wolf, and Himalayan ibex. Next is Chilaka Lake, which is in Odisha. It is one of the Asia's largest and world's second largest lagoon, and the river which flows through this lake is Daya River, and the major attraction at Chilaka is Irrawaddy dolphin. Please make a note of this. And next is Deepor Bill, and sorry for the pronunciation if I'm doing it wrong. So yeah, Deepor Bill is in Assam, and it is of the type river floodplain, and the notable species are Asian elephant, bear's pochard, and greater adjutant. And next is East Kolkata wetlands, which is in West Bengal, and it is of aquaculture ponds and wastewater treatment area. And the notable species are Katla Rohu, common water monitor, Indian spotted eagle. And Harike wetlands, which is in Punjab. So in the similar way you can add the information here. I wantedly gave a empty space here, you can add it. And next is Hokera wetland, which is in J&K. So don't get confused between these two wetlands, Harike and Hokera. Harike is in Punjab, Hokera is in J&K, and it is of marshes type, and the notable species are Eurasian otter, Pallas fish, eagle. Next is Kabartal wetland, which is in Bihar. It is in the Indo-Gangetic plains, and it is a valuable site for fish biodiversity. And the notable species are red-headed vulture, white-rumped vulture, and Indian vulture, and sociable lapwing. And the next one is Kanjli wetland. Kanjli wetland is in Punjab, and it is of the type Bain rivulet, and it is where the Guru Nanak Dev attained enlightenment. So this you can remember, I guess, Bain rivulet, and it is where Guru Nanak Dev attained enlightenment, and it is a man-made wetland. So in wetlands we do have natural as well as man-made wetlands, so please make a note of that information also. The notable species are Indian civet and Indian porcupine. Next is Kevaladeo Ghana National Park. it is also known as Bharatpur National Park, which is in Rajasthan, and it is also man-made wetland, and the conservation status is a bird sanctuary, and it is a UNESCO's World Heritage Site. It is also called as like specifically or famously known for bird paradise, and since it stages ground for migratory waterfall. Next is Keshopur Miani Community Reserve, which is in Punjab, and it is of the type marshes and aquaculture ponds, and the conservation status is community reserve, and the common notable species are common crane, Sarus crane, Indian softshell turtle. Next is Kolleru Lake, which is in Andhra Pradesh, and the wetland type is of lake, marsh and aquaculture ponds, and the notable species are spot-billed pelican and great pelican. And next is Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake is in Manipur, and it is a freshwater lake, and the source is Manipur River, and here we have the famous Cable Lamjo National Park, and here it is famous for one thing. What is that? Please mention in the comment section. And it has the endangered sangai, which is the state animal of Manipur, or it is also known as Manipur brown antlered deer. So this wetland has this endangered species called sangai deer. Next is Nalsarovar Bird Sanctuary, which is in Gujarat, and the wetland type is of marsh, and the conservation status is bird sanctuary, and the notable species are greater flamingo, Dalmatian pelican, sociable lapwing, red-headed vulture, white-trumped vulture. And the next is Nandur Madameshwar. So this is in Maharashtra. If you know, this is the first Ramsar site in Maharashtra, and it is of the type barrage and water storage area, and the conservation status is wildlife sanctuary. The notable species are white-rumped vulture and Indian vulture. Next is Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary. It is in Punjab. So this is of the type reservoir, and the conservation status is wildlife sanctuary. The notable species are hog deer, Indian pangolin and golden mahasir. And next is Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary. It is in Uttar Pradesh, and it is of the type marsh. Conservation status is bird sanctuary, and the notable species are greater spotted eagle, common pochard and woolly-necked stork and lesser adjutant. Next is Parvati Agra Bird Sanctuary, which is in UP. You can remember this as Agra is in UP. So Parvati Agra Bird Sanctuary, and it is of the type freshwater marshes, and the conservation status it holds is bird sanctuary, and the notable species are Sarus crane, white-rumped vulture, Indian vulture. And the next is Point Calimere Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary. So here itself it is mentioned about conservation status, and it is in Tamil Nadu. It is of the type mangrove swamps, lagoons, mud flats and salt pans. And the notable species are black buck, star tortoise, olive redley turtle. Next is Pongdam Lake, which is in Himachal Pradesh, and it is of the type reservoir. Wildlife sanctuary is the conservation status, and the notable species are bar-headed goose, white-rumped vulture and mahasir. Next is Renuka Wetland. Renuka Lake, which is in Himachal Pradesh, and it is also the smallest wetland in India, and you can mention in the comment section which is the largest one. So Renuka Lake is of the type freshwater lake and marshes. The conservation status it has is wildlife sanctuary and Mahashir golden mahasir. Next is Ropar wetland, which is in Punjab. It is a man-made freshwater riverine, and it is on Sutlej River. Next is Rudrasagar Lake, which is in Tripura. It is a freshwater lake and marshes. It has notable species like three-stepped roof turtle, greater adjutant. Next is Saman Bird Sanctuary. It is in UP. It is of freshwater marsh type, and it conservation status is bird sanctuary, and the notable species are greater spotted eagle, Sarus crane. Next is Samaspur Bird Sanctuary, which is in UP, and it is of freshwater marsh, and the conservation status is bird sanctuary, and it is the notable species are greater spotted eagle, common pochard, and Sarus crane. Now the question is, which state has the highest number of wetlands? You can comment in the comment section. You can easily grasp from this discussion which state has the largest number of wetlands. Next is Sambar Lake. Sambar Lake is in Rajasthan. It is the largest inland salt lake in India, and vegetation is xerophytic type. I hope you know what is xerophytic type, and it is surrounded all sides by Haravali hills. And the next is Sandi Bird Sanctuary, which is in UP. It is a freshwater marsh, and the conservation status is bird sanctuary, and the notable species are greater spotted eagle, Sarus crane. Next is Sarsai Nawar Jheel, which is in UP. It is of marsh type, and the notable species are Sarus crane, white-rumped vulture. Next is Sastam Kutta Lake. It is in Kerala. It is a freshwater lake, and the notable species are butter catfish, Day's glassy perchlet, and Malabar mistis. Next is Sundarbans wetland. You know it is in West Bengal, and it is of the type mangrove swamps, mud flats, and also lagoons. And the conservation status it holds is National Park, and it is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Also, it is UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. The notable species are Royal Bengal tiger, Sundari plants, Sundari trees, and Irrawaddy dolphin, smooth-coated otter, and olive redley turtle. Next is Surinsar Mansar Lakes, which is in JNK. It is a freshwater lake, and the conservation status is wildlife sanctuary. The notable species is Indian flapshell turtle. Next is Sur Sarovar, which is in UP, and it is riverine belt of river Yamuna. Next is So Morori, which is in Ladakh, and it is of brackish alkaline lake, and it holds the conservation status of conservation reserve, and it has the notable species such as black-necked crane and common pochard. Next is Sokar. Sokar is in Ladakh. It is hypersaline lake, and it has notable species such as black-necked crane and bar-headed geese. Next is Upper Ganga River UP. River which is in UP, and it is of river switch, obviously from the name, and the notable species are Gangetic dolphin, gharial, white-rumped vulture, red-crowned roofed turtle. Next is Vembanad Coal Wetland. This is a famous one, and there's a famous sport played here. What is that? Water sport? Please mention in the comment section. And it is of type lagoon and floodplain complex, and the notable species are pearl spot, Malabar mistis. The last one is Ular Lake, which is in JNK. It is the largest freshwater lake in India. It is fed by the Jhelum River. So guys, I hope this discussion was useful to you, and try to listen to this discussion when you are eating or doing other things except studying. So I hope this discussion was helpful, and thank you so much.